iPhone 16 was released yesterday and there are new features, new colors na na-introduce dito sa iPhone alongside with iOS 18. So since older iPhones have been lowered its price after releasing of iPhone 16s, then I will give you some recommendations and tips sa pagbili niyo ng iPhone na older models. Now first is may bagong tayong color sa iPhone 16 Pro Max which is Desert Titanium. They will also add capacitive camera shutter button na pwede mo siya ma-work as a zoom camera rin. New Genmoji feature. Of course, A18 Pro at A18 Bionic Plus, better camera, better battery life, yan yung sinabi nila. For iOS 18 naman, syempre if nakahawa ka ng Android phone, alam mo na yun yung mga bago. Syempre, yung mga movable icons, pwede mo customize yung mga icons, pwede mo i-customize yung color na mga icons nyo and such. Yep, same implementation rin siya sa Android. Pero sa mga older iPhone units naman, I would recommend you to buy iPhone 12 lang or iPhone 13 kasi meron pa siyang existing updates hanggang ngayon and the same time, mas improve yung performance ng iPhone 13 and iPhone 12 dito kung gusto mo bumili ng mga older iPhone units. Plus, check rin yung battery health niya kasi if lower yung battery health, wag na kasi masira yung buhay mo.